Kobri YouTube channel wa naye tongnai nara joto mam phata khum khunas kang therwa ang khapang ne hamba ya phayo khe tini nokha sakol February ma December tal bosi sachini bosi kolphe amawo nara joto haya buide siyo tongnai mam phata khum khuno ang khupor theta chu sayak narin chongma kautma ke bose lai thangnai December tal nokha sachisku ma salwa agortola wa chini bru displaced camp ni leader by ke jangjang political leader joto suha ke thumye kong ma salayo aborowo Pratima Bhumik ni chairman under sibo tongye meeting chole moni mote de yo Pratima Bhumik je bung samodi yo no location ke bri khusau abo jaga wa thangne na hiye blue display scheme ni leader no ke order ya ha abo de yo no MBDPF ni general secretary Bromnang sir Bruno Msa bungke ha ake MBDPCC ni president Bromnang sir Tilal Ding Liana Brau kenoi Kalazari West Kalazari kharo brau thangye location visit khiyo aboro gode gothe ya khane mamba panda wata wa ang no joto na ye chime ni ma bai sia ni mamba panda wa ang ta no joto na video nai
19 December 2021 o Agartala wo Madam Honorable Minister Madam Pratima Bhumik ni chairmanship of Agartala chung meeting ke ha abo Agartala meeting ke mono abono pursue ke 22 nsingo 23 tining 23 jora Mizoram ni je haye ta relief ke mo tomero bru IDP ro no to any mani he location chung ne lai phami ke mia wo chung Santi Barzar area ni tola aro South Tripura district go Chongpring Parabai Burma tila chung visit khelai ha ke tinio ke phailai chung ro skang thero chung visit khemo ke mahine bono som mai bai Rambodro parak chamaja aranga jaw himo aboro chung nai phele ha ke taw ke boro ulta chora bai phai boro jaga o chung tongo ke bo jaga phono chung nai le ha arombe chung bo jaga manai mole aro pure puachung 11 locations select kayo Bikram Joy Nondiram Monichoilingta abon ke gosiram para CCRF Anando Bazar abon ke Bandari ma Kaiskau Khaham Thai para ke Bongupha Haduklau ke West Kalazari 11 location no Government of India Government of Tripura Sikruye Lai Thanani Chief Secretary Honorable Chief Minister ke Chini Pradip Kishore Manikyo Det Burma ke chung decision la lai 11 locations chung skang select khele ha ke abon ne do yo no chung lugo projana public meeting raw kheye aro o mu se ma hi chung list ro ba no lai ha abo list chung Government of Tripura Government of India no chu submit ke ha ke aboro go chini lugo proja abo 11 location no tong ni hino khaphang snam ye jugali tongu aro in people bo Kanchanpur sub division no to anma ada jaga wo tini nagarik suraksha man by Mizo Convention ro objection kiye aro to yahi himon gotiyo Government of Tripura ro tre jaga ro potoi se ma hi chung nai ha chung chung ha abron ba otini chung boro phaye nai ma tong phaimse hechini lugo proja ni thise tong siyo chung to jaga to nai nai boni jaga ni condition report chung kaham keri nai lugo proja no boro khatung ming singke chung je leader de khele chin ke mo objection kru e Government of Tripura chung jaga kaham pnu ye te jaga ro chung no to ni himo khakchango aromba etale chin lugo projan thise tong siyo arma sao te tining pho boro chung no mai mu kam ke chari ye
pe tham December sai ne bose kolpe ka wo chini zila bere mone report sa chung sanai tawain samotong ne ke chini senior leader Bruno Msa MBDPF ni secretary se kyang ke MBDPCC ni president Mr. Tilal Ding Liana ke tini boro chingzo to lugo bai ro nai tong nai tini oksiya glo to do kin sakal sa tham kok chai mole Tripura wo chung nokha saisini bosi kholwa tong nei ha himon chingye je agreement dui kyong haske nokha sar jamnai sakur thamchi upe ni se kya bose sorkhan dei habala ma phono khokchui na ke jang lugon dei phono khokchui ye tini jora phono ching ongpurau ye ting pai mi yakho are impo chini chungmungma skangwo je naimon chingne jaga kring chisano thir khe ha arpo tai chin hokla sadi ke bon okha sachis ko ain khe mo kring jaga kring broi kring bane ma he chinoria ha ke hama ke Santi Bazar wo Santi Bazar sub division tolawo tre ke ha ke jang korbok ni sub division no ke ta okonda sor sub division no jo to bra tui thema chung khok chango ke tini borok po jaga kaham noria ha chingja blung brok ha ya khoma phono tongo ke abje ke forest ni ha tini phang tok tok phono tongo ke ta borok phono kya phono dokol kheya ke brom singo jo to chung sia nei ni ke sam chung mole ching bro MBDP CC be MBDP bro khaba che phaimu ya ching mo ke bono Tripura wo tuye tin an ma hi mo chung ya mai ke lugo ni khok chi mo permanent khatung mon ta te wo ke je thing phong tho tong mai miu has ke jaga kam sarkar no ha phyo phya ba thang nai leina hi ching phain se tre ke han dum si cha si khe nei bai te ke hani bipot wo tre ke han dumia re ke brown singo chung ela bur tu ye phai mo ya tin a zo to no chain chu ke tin boro chung ke zo to no sian ma bo panda samole e je thing bo ching ma tung tho chini kha phang se kaham khyong has ke tong ye to ra ne khele zo to lugo ni dai tong tho tin hugra role tai chin hugra sadi ke chung kaham mo ko bo sanai ham yang mo bo sanai ar mo ching ke har bo rom su ye tin na no uro tong tho ro cha thong hi an ma kroi are bo tin chino jaga kring tham nai rimong zora le tangye tu ye cha an man khele hawang le sale tong he china no samcho ke tin bo chin lo ke phainai SDM ni staff lo po tong phiu ke tin DC tong ke zila tin salo po MDC tong abde ke MLA tong EM tong chino bo molbe thake ke chari nong ri phono kam kheo ke tin zo to this place no ko chen to mo no no nang bo panda ching tang ye tong se himo sikru di nane ham panda nor tum se chini sau ke har tu mo bai chini organization mo han ma abo chu ya ching dir go din ukha bo sikol pe ba no
selected with the previous Chief Secretary and Honorable Chief Minister and Bubagra Manik, Bubagra Pradyut Manikia Burma and all. So on the basis of that approved location, we have conduct public meeting and make the list. So that is why whether our people are willing to come this location or not, I cannot say. So as much as possible, we will explain them the situation of the locations and all. So because of this only, we are very much optimistic that some of the family will be resettled in this site also. Thank you. In person of the meeting held on 19 December 2021 under the chairmanship of Honorable Union Minister for Social Justice, Madam Protima Bamik, and other official district magistrate from North Tripura, Dalai, Khowai, South, West and all. So in person of that meeting, we have visited the new location for resettlements of Bru IDPs. So today is the second day. Yesterday we have visited two locations called Chongpring Para and Barmatila under the Santir Bazar subdivision. And today we have visited two locations. One location called what is the name of the location? And then Arangajao, two locations we have visited yesterday, and we are very happy to the government of Tripura, especially all the officials also cooperating us a lot. They have taken everywhere to find the suitable location to view the problems of the location, merit and demerit. All we have visited and seen from yesterday and today. So yesterday, even today also, Honorable MLA, Mr. Pramod Riang, Honorable EM, Madam Dolirung Riang, and then Bhumikananda, Honorable MDC also with us, and then another MDC, Mr. Son also with us yesterday. So apart from the official of the district magistrate and subdivisional magistrate, these all honorable members of Legislative Assembly and Autonomous District Council also accompanied with us. So we are very thankful to them. So we will prepare this report and will submit to the Government of India and Government of Tripura. After the visit, maybe from tomorrow or the day after tomorrow or in between Christmas and New Year, we will conduct a public meeting in each and every brew relief camps, and we will inform them and we will disseminate our visit report. So according to my personal view, the location which we have visited is suitable for resettlement. I don't have any objection, but the thing to be implemented in action is depend on the public. So we have, already listed against those 11 locations which we have already